Big news in the drone world. The DJI Mini 5 Pro launch is officially confirmed. But here's the twist. It looks like the US release isn't happening, at least not yet. Over the past few days, I've been digging into every detail about this new drone, from its upgraded camera, smarter flight modes, and longer battery life, to what makes it stand out from previous mini models. If you're a drone enthusiast, a content creator, or just curious about the latest in compact aerial tech, stick around, because we're breaking down everything you need to know about the DJI Mini 5 Pro and why this launch has everyone talking. The DJI Mini 5 Pro has officially been confirmed, and the announcement has sent waves across the drone and tech communities. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. DJI has consistently set the standard for compact, high-performance drones, and the Mini series has been a favorite among hobbyists, travelers, and even professional content creators looking for a portable aerial solution. With the Mini 5 Pro now confirmed, expectations are high. This isn't just another incremental upgrade. This model promises several new features, improved performance, and a more refined user experience. However, one of the biggest surprises in the announcement is the lack of a confirmed US launch, raising questions among American drone enthusiasts and professionals about availability, regulations, and pricing. From the moment the news broke, the drone community has been analyzing every detail. The Mini 5 Pro, as expected, continues DJI's trend of combining portability with high-end features. DJI has always aimed to pack advanced camera technology, longer battery life, and intelligent flight capabilities into a small, lightweight frame, and this model appears to carry that legacy forward. Rumors and leaks suggested improvements in obstacle avoidance, camera stabilization, and flight time, all of which are critical for both professional creators and casual users who demand reliability. Early specifications indicate that the Mini 5 Pro may feature enhanced sensors, upgraded motors, and an even more efficient flight system, making it one of the most capable compact drones on the market. One of the most notable aspects of the Mini 5 Pro is its potential camera upgrades. DJI has been pushing the boundaries of aerial photography with each Mini iteration, and this new model is expected to feature higher resolution sensors, improved low-light performance, and possibly a wider field of view. For vloggers, travel photographers, and content creators, these upgrades could make a huge difference. The drone's lightweight frame means it can be carried anywhere, but with a camera that rivals much larger drones, it has the potential to replace multiple devices in a creator's toolkit. Video quality, stabilization, and intelligent shooting modes are all expected to be refined, making cinematic shots easier than ever before. Battery life and flight performance have always been strong points for DJI, and the Mini 5 Pro appears to continue that trend. Rumors suggest longer flight times compared to the Mini 4 series, possibly exceeding 35 to 40 minutes per charge under ideal conditions. Combined with more efficient motors and lightweight construction, this means users can spend more time capturing footage and less time worrying about charging or swapping batteries. The drone's intelligent flight modes, such as automated tracking, waypoint navigation, and obstacle avoidance, are likely to be improved, making it easier for both beginners and experienced pilots to achieve complex shots without a steep learning curve. Despite the excitement surrounding the Mini 5 Pro, the confirmed lack of a US launch is